Thank you, Deputy Speaker. My agenda matter is also for the Minister for Health. The action I seek is for the Minister to visit my community and see firsthand the benefits of Federal and Victorian Labor government investments to support health and wellbeing outcomes for people across my community of Pascoe Vale, Coburg and Brunswick West. Deputy Speaker, the health and wellbeing of everyone is absolutely paramount, and regardless of age, background, income, circumstance or postcode, everyone across our community deserves access to quality health care. And it's always been federal and state Labor governments that have established, sustained, protected Medicare and the Pharmaceutical Benefits Scheme, built and expanded new hospitals, health and wellbeing services, and backed our doctors, nurses and allied health, community health and health workers right across the sector. And Deputy Speaker, building on this record, I was very much welcome the recent opening of the new Coburg Medicare Urgent Care Clinic just a few weeks ago, made possible by the Albanese Labor government and our federal member Peter Khalil, member for Wills. The new Medicare Urgent Care Clinic is situated at 444 Sydney Road in Coburg. It's open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m, 7 days a week, every day of the year, and the clinic is equipped to treat a range of conditions and injuries that need urgent attention but that are not life-threatening, including cuts, burns, viral infections, breaks or sprained ankles. No appointment is needed. All patients can just walk in, and all services are bulk billed with your Medicare card, and it's already seen over 200 patients already. And one of those patients was a young girl, Zohar, who experienced a serious episode of anaphylaxis a few nights ago, around that time just after the opening, and her dad, Raza, rushed her down to the Medicare clinic where she was given urgent care and treatment, and they came back the next day. When I met them at the front, ironically enough, they came to thank the diligent staff, and Zohar and Raza's case is the reason why we need Medicare urgent care clinics across our communities, including in Coburg. And these clinics build on the other initiatives we're pursuing as a Victorian Labor government through the Nurse on Call hotline, virtual emergency department, 24/7. You can speak to anyone on an emergency doctor or nurse online video anytime. My wife and I have used that a few times for our kids. It's absolutely sensational. The Chemist Care initiative, providing free advice and treatment from participating pharmacies for a range of conditions without the need to see a GP for a range of conditions, uncomplicated infections and skin conditions, UTI, shingles, mould infections, vaccinations for travel, Hep A, Hep B, polio and typhoid, resupply of the oral contraceptive pill. In the near future, it'll be expanded to also cover for asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, type 2 diabetes, ear infections, high blood pressure, hormone replacement therapy, and much more. And there's a number of pharmacies that offer this across my community. Pharmacy 777 on Kent Road, Terry White Chemist on Cumberland Road in Pascoe Vale, Direct Chemist Outlet in Coburg, Bell Street Pharmacy on Bell Street, Healthline Pharmacy, Bell Street Coburg, Halfpenny Pharmacy, Sydney Road Coburg, Chemist Warehouse, Sydney Road Coburg, Nelson's Pharmacy, West Street, Hadfield for the member for Broadmeadows that we visited, Healthline Pharmacy, Snell Grove in Oak Park. And these reforms are all about saving locals time and money when it comes to accessing quality healthcare, and including from September, GPs will also be allowed to diagnose and prescribe for ADHD. From July, women will be able to be prescribed and treated with the pill for over 18. I welcome the Minister to my community.
Member for Caulfield.